started a very messy project, and I have been studying Amplitude and how it works and what those events are and things for some months now. But I'm wondering what your advice would be in the general sense where the project has no schema and every event is unexpected. Any broad framework on how to approach that?
I would go to events again. If you don't know the context of the Amplitude account, right? That's my assumption. Have a look at 30-day volume. Have a look at 30-day queries. Again, what are we consuming and is it valuable? Then figure out everything is unexpected. From there, you can actually build your tracking plan, if you will, and go shopping in whatever you have. If I simply do this, tour finished, either I block it, I delete it, or I add it. If I say add it, the unexpected flag will be moved. If I block it, blocking means that it's removed from the UI, and deleting is we're no longer actively ingesting it.
Blocking would also block the data from being ingested going forward. All the historical data that you had for the event will continue to exist in the UI. You can still pick it from the dropdowns and build chart for the blocked event, but we won't be ingesting any new data for that event. And deleting on the other hand, it blocks it from the ingestion, but at the same time, it also removes it from the UI, so you cannot even pick it from the dropdown.
Depending on what you select, then if you go to settings and you would go to schema settings, you can also choose to go even further. And I'm not sure if this is available for all plans these days. My sandbox is a partner sandbox, so I have all bells and whistles. But depending on the plan you are on, you can even go further. If an event name comes in and it was unplanned, I want to mark it as unexpected, or I probably want to reject it. I no longer want to see, don't want to talk about it. And you can go to event names, event properties, event property values even, where you say if the button color doesn't correspond to any of the values that I give you, I also don't want you to talk about it anymore.
I see. Okay, I'll have a look for it. Thank you.